If you're experiencing audio desync issues in FIFA 24, follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check game settings. Navigate to the audio settings in FIFA 24. Ensure that all audio options are configured correctly, including volume levels and audio output settings. Step 2. Update gaming console. Make sure that both FIFA 24 and your gaming console or PC are updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that can fix audio issues. Step 3. Adjust audio output. Go to your console or PC audio settings and adjust the audio output format. Switching between stereo and surround sound can sometimes resolve desync problems. Step 4. Restart the game. Close FIFA 24 completely and restart it. This can refresh the game's audio system and may fix any temporary glitches causing the desync. Step 5. Check for background applications. If you're playing on a PC, close any unnecessary background applications that may be using system resources. This can help improve overall performance and reduce audio lag. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your audio experience in FIFA 24. Enjoy your game.